I picked up this kit not because of the car, oddly, but because of the nice plastic display case that's included. The car, to me, is a bonus. I know I'll have fun putting it together, but I doubt there will be an R32 living in this case when all is said and done. Unlike the last kit I did, where there was one bag with 400 bits spilling out of it, this kit is more like Lego and has 5 individual bags, presumably corresponding to stages of the build, maybe even like modules. However, when I actually got down to putting the parts together, I was scratching my head when I couldn't find what I was looking for in the small pile of parts that was remaining from the first bag. So I opened the second bag, and sure enough, there were the parts I needed. So rather than each bag being exhaustively used, the bags feature a little overlap all the way through the build. In the end, it's still helpful because you aren't sifting through 400 parts and then 350 parts, etc. You only have about 30 to 40 parts laying out in front of you at a time. It just would have been helpful to know that when you come from the Lego ecosystem where the bags are typically exhaustive, and this wasn't the case. The build process was fun, the steps pretty easy, not Lego easy. I could probably use a touch more difficulty though. In the end, it took about 68 steps and 35 pages. I feel if this was a Lego model, that would probably be closer to 100 steps. Took close to an hour, maybe I was distracted. Fun fact, I was watching Seinfeld while putting this together, and it was the Chinese restaurant episode from season 2. Classic. Quality of the parts is pretty good. It's not rock solid like Lego, but it's a long way from some of the cheap kits I've seen where the parts are warped or you almost need glue to keep some of the bricks together. It's a creative build. Really amazing what they can do to get car shapes nowadays. They use some greenhouse pieces that I haven't seen before to get the silhouette right. The rear end is unmistakably GTR. The front headlights, they couldn't get them skinny enough, but they made a valiant effort, and the grille makes up for it by being reasonably close. The interior is really impressive. You pull the top off and you're looking at what could be nice tan upholstery. There's really nice seats with clever headrests, and one of the nicest shift knobs I've seen in a model. Overall, it was an hour well spent. If you're a big JDM car fan, this will be right up your alley. If you just want to pilfer the display case, you won't be disappointed here either.